absolutely phenomenal, you guys. This is something that those of you that are keto and non-keto alike can enjoy. Thank you guys so much for joining me. So you guys, we are now in the fall season. That temperature is dropping rapidly, and I can't think of anything better than to sit back and enjoy a hot bowl of soup. So today, you guys, we are going to be making a hearty, creamy chicken soup. So if you want to learn how to make it and be assured that it is also keto friendly, then stay tuned and I will show you how coming up next. Welcome back, everyone. So recently I put together a chicken stock that I'm going to be using for a homemade keto dressing that I'm going to be putting together for Thanksgiving. And what I did is I took some water, I took some chicken, celery, some carrots, along with some bouillon cubes, and I put all of that in a stock pot and I boiled it over the course of several hours. And you guys, this stock is phenomenal. So I actually have a lot more than what I'm going to be needing for that dressing, so I decided this would be the perfect time to use some of it to make some keto-friendly, creamy, hearty chicken soup, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. So along with this stock, we are going to be needing some seasoning, some salt and some pepper to taste, some heavy whipping cream, some chicken, okay, which was cooked in this broth that has been shredded. We're also going to be needing, since we can't use rice, I'm going to be using some cauliflower rice in mine. And this, of course, is optional. And then the last thing that we're going to need in order to thicken this soup is going to be some xanthan gum. So let's go ahead and get started and putting this together. All right, everyone. So to this pot, we're adding 4 cups of this chicken stock. And this is the 4th cup. Now I'm going to add this rice cauliflower. Probably about a half a bag of this will work. Yeah, that looks good. So I'm going to cook this for about 10 minutes. All right, everyone. Now it's time to go ahead and put in this chicken, which has been shredded. And as you can see, I've got some celery in here and a little bit of carrot that was used to make this broth. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I am going to take a separate container and I am going to add a little bit of this xanthan gum to it. Maybe about a half teaspoon. I am really, really careful with xanthan gum because this stuff is an intense thickener. So you have to be very, very careful with it. Otherwise, you'll find yourself having something that ends up being like a paste. So put a little of this heavy whipping cream in there. I'm going to stir this together. And with this, I am making like a roux. You guys, look how thick that is. That is like a half a teaspoon of xanthan gum and some heavy whipping cream. Okay. I'm going to put a little of this into my soup and I am going to stir rigorously. at this point, I'm going to put a little bit of salt. That's about a half teaspoon, a little bit of pepper. And now I'm going to add my 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Bring this back up to a boil, and then I'm going to turn it down for a simmer. Okay, now that this is boiling, I'm going to turn it down to continue simmering until it is at the thickness that I want it to be. Okay, everyone, this is ready. Look at that. This soup is creamy, and it's got the pieces of the cauliflower rice and the chicken in it. And it's nothing left for us to do but to enjoy. All right, you guys, soup is ready and it looks phenomenal. It is creamy. It's got the bits of, oh my gosh, this chicken in it, and I've got some carrots and celery in it. Nothing left but to give it a taste. Lord, I thank you. Absolutely phenomenal, you guys. This is something that those of you that are keto and non-keto alike can enjoy, and no one would be none the wiser that there is cauliflower rice in this, because it just disappears into this soup. This is phenomenal. I encourage you guys to give this a try. And when you do, let everyone know just how phenomenal this is by leaving the comments below, giving a thumbs up, and please do share. And another thing, you guys, as you can see here, I've got some cornbread. It's keto friendly. You can eat the soup with this cornbread. You can eat it with some keto friendly crackers if you like. You can make yourself a grilled cheese sandwich, whatever it is that will make this a meal to your liking. And I am going to sit back and enjoy the rest of this incredible day. I encourage you to do the same, because you guys, it is a great day. You make it your own kind of special. And remember, you guys, to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged until we meet again. Keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you guys real soon on the next I've Got Something to Say too. Thank you all so much for joining me.